What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's my third post today, and it is Saturday over here. I hope you guys are having a great day so far. On this post, I'm going to be talking to you guys about Dent token, Dent USD, and see what is going on in this market because it looked like the price action has broken out of a downtrend. However, no major move has really been made yet. Now, we're going to be taking a look into some key levels on both the upside and downside for price targets. Bullish and bearish price targets. Now, if that sounds good to you guys, do stick around. And of course, none of this is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor or an elite trader of any sort, even though I am a profitable trader who's managed to keep most of my profits in the last bear markets, and I am looking to crush it in the next bull cycle here. So if you guys feel the same way, do hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and let's get right into it. So we do have Dent here, currently on this weekly time frame where the price action, I think on the 3-day time frame here, it's more detail on what is exactly going on. So on this 3-day time frame here, we do have a falling wedge pattern that the price action looks like it has broken out of, right? Since when was this? This was Friday, June 30th of this year. Looks like the price action has broken out of the pattern. However, the price action didn't really make a major move. For all this time, it has broken out of this pattern. Now, I have seen this before where price action breaks out of a falling wedge and eventually forms some type of a double bottom outside of the falling wedge. The main thing, in my opinion, to be paying attention to is if it's still on top of the pattern it has broken out of, right? So currently it looks like it's still on top of the pattern after it has broken out, and we have a double bottom here on this 3-day time frame. So it still looks all right to me in terms of a bullish case scenario. However, things would change if the price action starts breaking back into this pattern, which in this case, it's basically very close to the tip of that pattern anyways. So if it breaks back into this pattern, or if it forms a lower low here, I would start to pay attention and refresh this chart and see what could potentially be going on here instead, right? Because then this breakout is less likely to reach its measure targets. Now let's take a measure move out of this breakout here, because it still applies. Let's take a measurement of the opening. Put it right here, basically where the breakout point was. Now the measure move is going to give us about 0.15 cents in that area. Okay, currently it is at 0.06 cents. I'm hoping that I am getting the decimals right. It's just when you have more than when you have about 3-4 decimals, it's gonna start sounding kind of funny. So that would be a pretty big move, right? If this bullish case scenario breaks out, well, over 2.5, well, over 2 times, over 2 multiples, right, of the current price action, if it continues toward that market, that target. However, measure moves, measure targets, it could be that it's just an estimate, right? It could be over, under. Do your own Google searches on what measure moves and measure targets mean. Don't just take my word for it, right? And of course, do chart this on your own to verify that you understand what's going on here. There is still bullish divergence on this 3-day time frame, right, on the RSI. Still looking for a weekly candle close here. This could be read as a double bottom as well for the weekly time frame. Expecting bullish divergence. if the price action doesn't move too much here over the weekend on this weekly time frame as well. On the monthly time frame, possibly as well, right? Well, possibly. Yeah, very possibly. Okay. Not absolutely, just very possibly. Okay. We have about 5 more days to the monthly candle close. So gonna be keeping track of what goes on in here. So if you guys want to see more of Dent, do make sure to like the video, comment in the comment box below. Let me know what other assets you guys are holding, coins, right? If enough of you guys want to see it, I will do an update on it. I don't have Dent USD. I'm just doing it because I think a lot of you guys want to see it based on past data. I am bullish on the market still, but I am a trader. So there's going to be key levels where I'm going to be flipping my opinion. And that's mostly going to depend on Bitcoin. I have Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins. If it breaks certain levels, I am going to be flipping my opinion. Bearish. Currently I'm still bullish, right? What else? I'm not going to talk about Bitcoin on this post. Do check out my last video for Bitcoin. It's just so repetitive, right? Let's take a look at some key levels here that you don't want to see breaking. Otherwise it's going to go down some more, right? Like I said, if it breaks back into the pattern, even starting with the daily candle, that's not going to look good. If it breaks back into this pattern and it looks like it's already at the end of this pattern, then I'm going to be refreshing this chart, and see what else could be going on. It could be likely that, yeah, I'm not gonna speculate too much here. I'm just gonna check back when that move happens, and then see what we can rechart there, right? But right now, that's what I'm seeing. If the price action does break back into the pattern here, I think the next key support here would be at around this level. You guys can see this, which would be about, I think the price action has already been down there at about 0.06 cents, right? Next key level, we could draw a fib retracement, but it's gonna be pretty hard to see because of just how small these candles are, right? Let's see here. Let's look for prior wicks, right? I see one at about 0.06 cents, 0.05 cents, 0.04 cents area, right? Quite a few wicks there, if you guys know what I'm talking about. Gonna have to go back pretty far in time, and then 0.035 cents in that area. So just gonna have to refer to prior wicks for reference of possible bounce points if price action continues to go down. And of course, refreshing the chart here, that's just my opinion. Now, if you guys made it this far into this video and don't already have a Webull account but want some free stocks, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away free stocks value from $3,000 to $3,000 when you guys open an account and deposit $100 US. Using my referral link down below, I did enjoy using Webull as an exchange. I think they're great for beginners to trade crypto and US stocks. But with any exchange, I would not put most or all of my money onto the exchange because, as we have seen, exchanges have been down before, right? And definitely don't want to be caught in that. So I personally spread my money around several exchanges in case one goes down, I won't be wrecked. So I think this basically wraps up my update for today, and I will see you guys next time. Have a great weekend.